Good morning, my name is Pilar Agames and today I am going to talk about the weather forecast in Serete for this week. Let's go to Monday. In the morning we have a temperature of 27 degrees and probability of rain. For the noon we have a 28 degrees and probability of a storm. In the afternoon have a 28 degrees and cloudy sky. And night is a cloud night and temperature is 27 degrees and cloudy skies. On this day, the activities that we can is stay at home and take advantage for the day to play board games or do indoor activities. And Tuesday. On Tuesday in the morning, there is a first cast of thunderstorm. At noon, we have a temperature of 27 degrees and clear sun. We will have a hot afternoon with intense sun and temperature of 35 degrees. At the night will also be hot with a temperature for 30 degrees. And activities of Tuesday, we can go down to the park for run and have a picnic. And on Wednesday, in the morning will be a cold and cloudy with temperature of 26 degrees. At noon, we'll have a rain and approximate temperature for 23 degrees. The afternoon will be sunny and little warmer with about temperature of 30 degrees. At night, temperatures drop to approximately 25 degrees. On these days, we can go around in the morning, stay at home at night, for drink walk of the city. And Thursday. In Thursday in the morning we have a first cast of storm winds and temperatures of 34 degrees. At noon we have a bright sun and temperature of 35 degrees. In the afternoon will be a big storm with a lot of wind and temperatures will be approximately to 28 degrees. In the night will be a storm. The weather of this day also to go out ride a bike. We can also have a lunch outside and take a picnic. Wait in the morning, stay at home, and this. Friday in the morning, we will have a third morning with a temperature of approximately 26 degrees. At noon, the sky is expected to be clear with a bright sun and temperature of 30 degrees. The afternoon is also first gone sunny and with stable temperature. And the night is expected to be a quiet night of temperature of 26 degrees. And the activities of a Friday on this day will be make many activities in the morning, but of the noon can you outdoor activities like a picnic or lunch with friends. And in Saturday in the morning there is a first gap of thunderstorm. We have a first gap of storm winds and temperature of 34 degrees in the noon. And afternoon, a first gap tells us that we cloudy, and the night was cold with probability of rain and temperatures of 24 degrees. And Saturday will be a very stormy day, so it's recommended to stay at home or bring umbrella in case of you're going out. We can take advantage of day 2 fits. And Sunday, um, on Sunday in the morning, it's forecast to be sunny, perfect for join with a temperature of 33. And at noon, rains are forecast. It's recommended to bring an umbrella and temperatures of approximately to 23 degrees. In afternoon, after rain is waited in forecast to give it a temperature of 26 degrees, and it's recommended to go out with your umbrella or stay at home. And last night, sometimes cloudy is expected with your temperatures of 23 degrees and some thunderstorms. In this day, the activities is stayed at home. And okay, then all for the video. Thank you very much for your attention and bye.